Stop chasing leads, start building a list of financially qualified prospects. Imagine focusing on turning financially qualified prospects into clients. In this video, I'll show you how to build a financially qualified book of business, so every offer you make has the best chance of turning into real sales. The purpose of this system is simple: deliver weekly offers directly to financially qualified prospects, the ones who can actually afford to purchase. This shifts your focus from chasing not qualified contacts to closing real opportunities. Let's walk through 5 key steps to building an opted-in, financially qualified list of prospects. People are willing to receive and respond to your weekly offers. Step 1. Pre-sales. Identifying financially qualified prospects starts with a process we call pre-sales, interviewing contacts, lists, leads, and clients to understand whether they're financially able and ready to purchase. Pre-sales isn't about waiting for someone to say, "I want to buy." It's about preparing people to see what it takes to buy and focusing your attention on those who can realistically move forward. We'll show you how to create a survey form in Go High Level with all the key questions needed to identify a qualified prospective client. This ensures your sales team knows exactly what to ask in every interview, while the responses are automatically saved to the client's contact record for easy reference. Step 2. Why it matters. Imagine you've identified 10 new financially qualified prospects from your sphere of influence that are sitting on the fence. Your goal is to present offers so good that it feels crazy for them to say no. That's the power of pre-sales, combined with irresistible weekly offers. Step 3. Building your list. By building a list of financially qualified prospects, you create a focused list of contacts who have the highest likelihood of making a purchase. These are the people your sales team is held accountable to close. For example, if you have 10 financially qualified prospects who are on the fence, your job is to present offers in a way that makes it nearly impossible for them to say no. Would you like your sales pipeline filled with people financially qualified to make a purchase? So how do you build this list? Start with your sphere of influence, everyone you already know. From there, identify which of those contacts match your ideal client profile. Once you've identified them, conduct a short interview to learn whether they're financially qualified to make a purchase. Those who are qualified get segmented into a specific weekly follow-up list inside your Go High Level software account. Step 4. Delivering weekly offers. From that list, you then invite each financially qualified contact to opt in to receive a weekly SMS text message. The SMS text contains your best offer of the week, linked to a short video, usually 30 to 60 seconds, that highlights why the offer matters. This way, you're consistently putting strong, targeted offers in front of the people most likely to buy. This could be a free service, a special deal, a resource they can't say no to, or simply your product or service. How much could your lead conversion improve if you sent your best offer every week to an opted-in list of financially qualified prospects? Step 5. Why it works. This strategy works for 2 reasons. First, it boosts lead conversion because you're consistently sending offers to the people who are financially able to purchase. Second, it builds your online presence and credibility, with a weekly offer as a YouTube short video. Our focus is to help you publish 1 YouTube short each week and deliver it directly to your financially qualified prospects who've opted in to receive weekly SMS text offers. This simple, repeatable process grows your sales and builds your brand at the same time. So, if you're ready to stop chasing random leads and start closing with confidence, contact us. Let's help build your financially qualified book of business together. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Let us help you get a client for free. This is exactly what we coach inside our 10-day challenge. When you sign up through Human Brainbox, we won't just give you the Go High Level software, we'll help you build a real process around it. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click the quiz button, or go directly to humanbrainbox.com/quiz. After completing it, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you achieve your marketing and follow-up goals. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.